Hi everyone, today I'm here with the unboxing of an Hermès toddler toy. Alright, so here it is. As you can see, it is a horse on wheels. It comes in this blue color, blue-gray, so grease and dark blue. And it also comes in a pink for girls. And it's pretty self-explanatory. So you push it around, and as you push it around, it moves like that. So no moving parts on the horse itself, just the car itself moves, and it's a fun toy for kids to push around and use their imagination. The other side looks exactly the same. On the back, you do see Hermès Paris engraved in the wood, as well as a guideline for 3-year-old and up. And it is, as you can see, made in Germany. So not too much to say about this, just a neat little kid's toy. I think it has come out in the past couple of years. I don't remember seeing it when I was shopping for my daughter. And yeah, looking forward to playing with it with my kids. So in the US, as of spring 2024, this toy retails for approximately $400. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions, comments, and feedback below, and I'll see you next time.